Hey, welcome everyone. Man, that sun's bright. Just Josh today out here on the river. We're gonna do a little float. I've never done this stretch. I got a portage around a dam, and I'm gonna be live on Facebook again today, so bear with me on that. All right, thanks for tuning in. Hang on. Man, he smoked it. Holy crap. Look at that beast. It's worthy of a quick measurement. "17 inches. Right at 17 inches. I think that's gonna be a good day today. Oh, he soaked me. I don't know how, but I'm somehow managing to come right between all of these leaves. That is incredible. Woo, we had a little blow up. He missed. He missed my plopper up. He grabbed it a little bit. I keep calling it a plopper. It's a spook. Alright. There we go. See if he's brave enough to come back. Ah, I caught a leaf. Woo! He blew up. Oh, he got it. That was a good one. Good blow up. Decent fish. Alright, come unhooked. Nice. Oh, he's so feisty. Come here. Nothing crazy huge, but a good fish. Oh, on that top water spook there. Let's get a quick selfie with him and we'll get him back in the water. Alrighty. Can't beat that. Alright. There's not much water here, but... Ha! One little blow up instantly. Oh! Oh, he got it! He's barely hooked. I don't even care if he comes unhooked at this point. Hang on, buddy. Hang on. Little tiny fella over here in this skinny water. So I got a good oxygenated pocket right here off of these rapids. If I can get myself back a little bit, there might be something sitting in there. Yep, he grabbed it instantly, twice. Missed it. I knew there'd be something there. They're just waiting. Get myself in position again. He barely grabbed it though. He grabbed it really soft. It was weird. That was really the only one there. Oh, holy smokes! That one came out of nowhere right next to the kayak. I wasn't even ready for it. He completely missed it. I don't want to accidentally end the live. Oh, little blow up. Little tiny guy. He said, I'll take a swipe at it. Where's your pappy at? Tell him there's a big meal out here. Pappy's right down here on this big old brush pile. Oh, another blow up miss. Holy smokes, he grabbed it, took it under the water and let it go that fast. What? I saw the fish, that was a good fish. Probably another 17-incher. I don't understand. I didn't even have time to set the hook. He let it go so fast. I didn't even feel the tension, but I watched him grab it and pull it. Wow. Okay. Let's see, this is a really good looking spot. There gotta be something here. Oh, there he was. Come on, don't be one and done. He punched it out of the water. Oh, he come back. Way out here. Yeah, this right side looks pretty good. As you guys can see though, we do got quite a bit of leaves. And I always try to wait to feel the tension before I start yanking any top water because, you know, I don't want it to fly back and hit me. I've already had my fair share of hooks. Oh, there he is. Good fish, really good fish. Oh man, this is a really good one, guys. Oh God. Get over here. Oh my God, this might be a PB. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. That's definitely an 18-incher or more. Get out of there. Come here. Let me get this baby unhooked here. There we go. Oh my, look at that. Before anything, let me just get a quick picture so I don't forget or lose the fish. Oh my God, guys. Let me get my bump board out. Let me get it wet. Let me give the fish a drink of water. Can you guys see this? It's 18 and a half. 18 and a half. Holy crap. Alright, give the fish another little quick drink of water. I'd like to get a quick weight on it. My line's stuck all over me. Alright, zero that out. Set this fish in the water. .6. I'm not taking a picture of that, but you guys were my witnesses. Alright, look at that hog. Woo! Oh man, let me get a fist bump, guys. That was spectacular. That makes up for the one I lost, but I'll be honest with you, I still think the one I lost was bigger than that. Holy crap. Oh man, that was so awesome. A 17-incher and an 18 and a half, and I probably missed a 20. Alright, I'm all tangled in my own line here. It is a mess. Alright, I still gotta get my line out. There's still so much, I've passed so much good water, I kinda like got up in it, so hopefully it's still fishable. You guys see, I always try to be real quick, respect the fish. I try to get some credentials if it's worthy of it. I always try to keep the fish in the water. Sometimes you get hyped up in the moment, but I did pretty good there. the fish, I thought it got in the gills, but it just like nicked some flesh that caused it to start bleeding a little bit, so it was completely fine. Oh man, wow. Oh, I just seen it. There was a smallie that swam up, but I think he saw me. He turned away pretty fast. Guaranteed there's something right there in that white water though, that oxygenated water. Probably be, oh, there's a good one. Oh, what is that? That's a, he just blew up like he was, I thought he was bigger than that. I think he also wrapped me around a stick down in the water. I prefer to just easily grab him and release him. Man, these outfalls always smell like laundry soap. Just the chemicals they use. Oh, you just put my lure in the, here he is. Get a quick picture of him, we'll let him go so we can try to get another one out of there. Alright, he threw my lure into my net though. Normally, see, I'd get a bite pretty quick on it if there was a fish down there, so I'm just gonna keep fishing the spook. Oh man, that little guy slammed it! Holy crap! Come here, little buddy. You came out of... He darted at it like a rocket. Come here, dude. Really? There. I mean, look at that. Little guy was hungry. A little tiny guy just got it. Holy, what? He's the same size as the lure. Oh my, he tried to hook me. Stop it. You've hurt yourself now. Tore your lip all up, dude. Look at this. Let's get a quick selfie with this little guy. Alright, I can't even believe that. Oh, he come up and nailed it. I got to see that, but he's one and done, huh? Oh, he knocked it way out of the water. Oh, there he is. Little guy, but fish is a fish. On that fluke, Rob. We're gonna throw a few casts over here. Oh, there's a blow up. It's little. Whoa, there's another little guy. I thought he was bigger by the blow up. Hang on, settle down, dude. Let's get a hold. Oh, he got all 3 treble hooks in the mouth. Look at that. It's just a real tiny guy. So let's get these out real quick. It's always tricky when this happens. You want to try to do it easy so you don't cause a lot of damage. I always pull on each one and figure out which one wants to come first. And just like that. good to go. Fish is a fish, but we want something better than that. Left side looks okay, the right side looks okay. Nobody said anything, I'll stay on the left side then. Oh, there he is! Oh, he's a decent fish. He's better than I thought he was. Oh man, he is going insane. You guys seen that? Holy smokes. He's still going crazy. Come here, booger. That's a quality fish right there. If I can get him unhooked there. Give me a second. Super quality fish, look at that. That's a beaut. We got the board right here. Dip it in a little bit of water. Throw him on there. He's 15. I figured he was gonna go 16. Take a quick pick with him. And let's release him. Soaked me. Alright.